a technical look into the COAI coin that Prophet Bernard brought out. And guys, we'll definitely go into the chart right now, or the technical stuff right now on CoinMarketCap. But I want you guys to listen to this. There are some videos that Prophet Bernard will bring. Okay, the price point is going to be $20, this $20, this $1, da da da. When he doesn't mention it, the moment I take you to the Tokenomics channel and I'm looking into a coin and I do analysis technical wise and showing you possible price point, I don't mean that is the price point Prophet Bernard is saying. Open your eyes and understand things. It is my price point that I'm predicting. Don't get it wrong. That is why it's on the Tokenomics channel. When he says this coin is moving to this price point, I put that on the Zoe podcast as prophecy. When I come to the Tokenomics channel, I am giving you my forecast of what the coin could possibly do. You understand me? Which, for the most part, hasn't gone to, hasn't fallen to nothing. Whenever I give a price point on a coin, it's just a matter of time. Mostly I do that on what coin is that? Bitcoin. Tell you Bitcoin is going here, is going there. Tell you Bitcoin is coming here, is coming there. So all of the price movement that Bitcoin is doing right now, everything will just turn around very soon. We'll get into that very soon. Let's focus on the COAI coin. Let's go. Deal with the coin that Prophet Bernard spoke about, that is COAI. So I'm on CoinMarketCap currently. I'll show you every technical detail that you need to know about the coin. And then I said earlier that I'm going to teach people how to swap any meme coin, any coin at all, on Trust Wallet. So that video will probably be on the channel. You will definitely have to get it, watch it. I will never show or shoot any video again about how to swap coins. It will only be that video. So do your best to find it on the channel, right? If you are searching for it and you are not finding it, meaning I've not uploaded it yet, I'll definitely upload it. Don't worry. Okay, so let's search for COAI. And the first coin that pops up here, remember this trick. The first coin that pops up here is Chain Opera AI. Very powerful. And it's currently number 201 on CoinMarketCap. Let's click on this one and then we'll find out more about the coin. Then the second one I see here is having another COAI down there, but the main name of the coin is Coai AI Agents and it's number 6196. I don't know whether it's this coin that Prophet is referring to or the first one, but let's look into both coins and then I'll tell you something. Let's go. So let's click on the first coin. So I told you that the price, whilst things are still loading, I'll give you every technical detail that you need to know. Every technical detail. On any day, you need to know these technicals before you get into any coin at all. Any coin at all. You need to know these technicals. So we have 8,000 people adding this particular coin to their watch list. We have 8,000 people. 8,000 people. Okay, now I can see what is happening on this coin. We have 8,000 people adding this coin to their watch list. So it means 8,000 people are basically having their eyes on this coin. I always tell you this thing. And in the space of 1 month, this coin has been up 3,865%. So when you divide that by 100, we'll definitely have it should be 308x, something like that. We should have 308x. Let me do the math and see. We should have 308x in the space of 1 month. That's 3,800. Let's just do 3,800 divided by 100. Okay, that is 38x rather. That is 38x. Yeah, it's good I did the math. So 38x, 1x means the coin has gone up 100%. 1x means the coin has gone up 100%. So you divide the 100 by the percentage that the coin has been up in the month, which is 3,852%, right? So, and I was just using the round number 3,800%. So the coin has been up 38x in the space of 1 month. So if you had some few dollars in there, you would make crazy an amount, right? But that is those who have put in, let's say, $1,000 before the 38x should expect to get 1,000 times 38, yeah, something like that, times 1,000. So that's $38,000, right? If you've invested, $1,000 before the price of this coin moved to making 3,800%, you should be making. I hope you get a calculation. Yeah. The market capital on this coin is 3.83 billion, almost $4 billion, and it has increased 130%. I don't know how many month it's used to increase that way, or how many days or hours. But let's go down. The volume on this coin is in 24 hours is let me see it better, is $310 million. So watch this, these are keys that you need to know. It means within the space of 24 hours this coin has a lot of people have been trading on this coin. People are putting money in there, taking money out there. It's total amounting to $310 million. It tells you that a lot of money, what we call liquidity, what we call volume in trading, is in this coin, right? So people are putting money in there. Then we have holders. How many people are holding this coin? 45,000 people are holding this coin. And you see, I always tell you the number of people holding is important, but also what is also another thing that is also important is the fraction of the amount of money that people are holding and the percentage of people holding. You understand me? So if people that are holding out of the 45,000, people who are holding from $1 to $100 is maybe more than 80%. Then it tells you that there are only a few whales in there who are holding a higher amount of the coin, and they can dump on you guys, right? But if there is an more even distribution between the number of holders and the volume of the coin that they are holding in terms of price, then it may just make, I don't know who is understanding what I'm trying to say, but these are just complicated stuff that you need to take a minute to absorb and understand. Yeah. So, but I hope people understand. So it matters how 2025 market crash has come to an end, and you've heard it here first. Trump tariffs have caused an uncertainty on the market. This is the right time for investors to jump in. Now, XPX, that is XMP 500, dropped 21%. NAS 100 dropped 27%. UK 100 dropped 16%. US 30, best 30 performing companies, right, in the United States dropped 20%. BTC, I predicted, is going to hit 75K. It even dropped to 74,000 and some few pennies there, right? Now, this is a time. The elites have taken profit. The market has gone down during uncertainty with Trump tariffs. This is a time that we have set into an accumulation phase. You want to invest into the Forex market, the synthetic, space. You want to invest into the crypto market. You want to do Forex. You want to do stocks. You don't know how to do it. Join the financial market masterclass with Trader Nixon, and I'll show you how to do it like a pro. How many people are holding and how much people are holding, right? If majority of the people who are holding the coin are holding just $20, $10, $50, and they are majority of the holders, then yeah. And if if people who are also having like $100,000, $10,000 are more than the people who are also, holding a likes of 10, 20, 50. there's problem in there because they can dump on you. But if the majority of people are holding, are having $100, thousand there, you understand? Then it means that there is an even distribution. It makes sense like that. It means the majority of the people who are holding small amount of money in the coin are more than the whales that could dump on them. That's what I meant to explain. Then the total supply is 1 billion COAR. If you tell me, I think the total supply is fair, and hence the reason why the price is huge. Hence the reason why the price is huge. I explained to you times without no matter. Look, assuming I'm selling tomatoes in the community and the number of people in the community is just 1,000 people, and I'm selling tomatoes and the quantity of tomatoes is 1 billion. For Christ's sake, I need to sell the tomatoes and finish selling it in a short period. And the people are not many. So demand will be less, supply is too much, right? Hence, the price should be very cheap. Okay. But if the number of people in the community is like 1 billion and I'm selling only 1,000 quantity of tomatoes and everybody needs tomatoes to survive, people will be trooping in to come buy my tomatoes. Hence, I can increase the price. So I can be selling one tomatoes for like $1 million because there are a lot of people who want to buy and the supply is less. That is the logic to supply of tokens. You have to look into the supply of tokens. So this one is 1 billion. And even if they bend this to, let's say, 700 million, 600, 500 million coins, wow, the price is possibly going to shoot to like 200, let's say 200, $400, $500 thereabout, because they are burning some of the coins. I don't know if they are still going to burn coins, but the supply is okay. Now let's talk about the price before I continue. The price is high, but this particular coin, even though if you just have $20 you can get it, or $30 you can get it, it's fine, it's okay. But this coin is for people who have like $500, 400, or more than $100. You understand me? Because I'm talking about risk to reward and all of that. You need to, like, if you want to make much on the coin, if you want to make substantial amount of money on this particular coin, you need to put in like $1,000, like Prophet said, like $2,000, even $5,000. You understand me? And if this coin is likely to move to 40, $50 very soon. And if that happens, then you are going to realize a huge profit. But if you are just buying one coin, let's say the price is 1951. So let's say it's $20. If I put $20 in there to buy one of this coin right now, and the price goes up to $50, I'll only be making like $30 profit. It doesn't make any sense. It's not substantial. I'm talking about substantial amount of profit. You understand me? So this coin kind of belongs to people who are having huge amount of money. If you have $500, it's fair. That's why when Prophet was speaking, he didn't say put $1 there. You understand me? So that's one thing you need to know. Then let's come down to, you can visit their website, know about the coin, know about their project. Some people you just buy, you don't know what they are doing in there. Maybe you wouldn't, if you go to read about it, you wouldn't even like the project. White paper will tell you more about the project, everything about the coin. Maybe when you read it, you wouldn't really like it. So will wouldn't make you buy it. But sometimes when you read it, you will like it, you will enjoy the project, and now you come to even understand the project beyond the prophecy that the man of God is giving. Because the man of God just gave prophecy. He didn't even tell you anything about the project of the coin. You understand me? So this is things that you need to know. Then socials. Look at their social media handle. Follow them on Twitter. See whether they are having engagements here and there. You can join their Discord and all of that. Contracts. So one thing you need to know is that when a coin is created, there are coins that are created and they have their own blockchain. There are coins that are created, or tokens that are created, that doesn't have their own blockchain. Bitcoin is having its own blockchain, Ethereum its own blockchain, BNB is having its own blockchain. That is the Binance coin is having its own blockchain. Solana is having its own blockchain, and some other coins are having their own blockchain, right? But there are some meme coins that people are creating, they don't have blockchain. So you need a blockchain to create the coin on. So this coin, Chain Opera AI, has been created on the BNB. So it's on the BNB chain. So that's why the BNB logo is there. You understand me? That's why. So you need to know what chain the coin is on. That is one thing you need to know, and that you even don't need to know the contract address first to go and swap. Know the chain that the coin is on before you now go to find the contract address. So over here, luckily enough, whenever you are going for to copy the contract address, they just show you a logo of the chain that the coin is on, and this is the BNB chain. So it's just fun. You can swap this on Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Uh-huh. That's it. People had issues with me because I didn't show them how to swap coins on swap meme coins. Right. I thought you guys know. I thought you guys know. I was just looking into the technical stuff, right? So I'll do a video and show you once and for all, and I'm not gonna touch on that again. So wallets that you can find this coin on, the BNB Web3 wallet, Binance Web3 wallet, MetaMask, OKS wallet, and Coinbase. Let's see more. Okay, I think that is the all therein. It's on Trust Wallet too, so don't forget Trust Wallet to see it. So price performance, the low and the high. Okay, the low in within 24 hours. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. So within 24 hours, the low of this particular coin was $8, and then the high of the coin is $20.93. The all-time high of the coin has at a point in time gone to 44.90. That is almost $45. And the all-time low, this coin was as low as 0.13 cents. My goodness. So just imagine we were in there when the price of the coin was 0.13 cents, and now we are looking at the price at 19.56. That would be massive amount of money. Even if you have $1 there, your life will definitely change. But it is what it is. This coin was created not long ago at September 26, 2025, 19 days ago. 19 days ago. So does it mean we are having to see this video very late? The prophecy video. Are we seeing it so late? That's why I said something in the prophecy video that look, sometimes it could be that prophet couldn't give the update early. You understand me? And with this prophecy, he didn't give the update early. Yeah. He didn't give the update early. Let me go back. I want to have. So that's it. You can copy the contract address and go and swap. You can copy the contract address and go and swap. But we'll come there later. Let me see possible price points. I mentioned when I say $45, it's likely to come back to its all-time high. There could be a potential pullback before that finally happens. I don't know. Where is the arrow to? The arrow 2 is not here. All right. So let me do that here. I'm not finding it. Okay, I think I should find it here. It's not here too. Okay, I think it should be here. Yeah, it should be here. So the price is here right now currently. There could be a drop here to before the price finally goes up. But don't get me wrong, this coin has been down for a while, so the momentum has already been developed. So if you want to go crazy, you can still go crazy, honestly. And there's history to the chart as well. A small history. You can see it right here. It's having upside potential. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. It's having upside potential. It's having a lot of upside potential, but the price is high for those who want to invest $50 and $20 and all of that. It's high if you are looking for, unless you are looking for the price to go way into the future of maybe $100,000 or $50,000, then your $50 investment will make sense. You understand me? But if you want instant gratification, like some few weeks to take some profit, then your $50 really, well, you can still put it in there. I'm not saying you shouldn't, but I'm just giving you the dynamics. Okay. So this coin possibly $50 is not far-fetched. $50 is not far-fetched, and that's all I'm going to talk about. Let's look into let me look at something before. This coin is just doing this like let's look into the other coin. I don't believe it's the other coin. I don't believe it's the other coin that Prophet is talking about, which is this coin, Kuti AI, COAI, AI. I don't believe it's this coin. I don't believe it's this coin. But let's look at it. Then I quit this video. Let's look at it. So this is a coin that I'm looking at right now. It doesn't look good on the chart. Okay. It's moving like robot. So the market cap is 24,000. I don't this is not a coin. 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 This is not the coin. I don't believe this is the coin. This is not it. Yeah, this is not a coin. So I'm glad I'm even able to tell you these dynamics, unless Prophet Bernard comes out again to say otherwise. But this is not a coin. Yeah, because the market cap is $24,000. It's 24,000, and we don't even have any volume in the past 24 hours. Zero volume. So this is not a coin. This is not it. So the first one we did was the coin. Guys, if you don't subscribe to the channel, I'll not do this thing again. Subscribe, share, like this video. Have I even added it to favorites? No, I'm taking it out. Good. So subscribe, share, like this video, share it with your colleagues, and let them see this one.